Hello, Calvin. Here is the sound machine I was telling you about. Okay, and we turn it on right here, the volume. Okay, and then up here is all the little buttons for us. Rain, wind chime, train, white noise, a brook, seabirds, autumn night. Let me turn the volume down too. Sound like crickets. And then this is wind, thunderstorm, waterfall, ocean, and back to forest. Then, if you want light, it has different moods. Or maybe it just stays on blue. Oh yeah, it goes in and out, I think. Or it lights and darkens. Anyway. Okay. And that's it. Oh, and you can set how long you want it to stay on. There you go.